Good morning students, welcome to Mount Literacy Z School. In this video we are going to learn about digital storytelling. In this video the topics we are going to cover are as follows. List the 3 stages of creating a presentation, import multimedia files into a presentation, use various slides, views such as notes or slide sorter or handouts, print presentation slides, select a proper page layout for the task. So let's start with our presentation. Introduction. What is a digital story? A digital story is a short first-person video narrative. It is created by combining recorded voices, still and moving images, and music or other sounds. What is it used for? It can be used to document life experiences, ideas, or feelings through the use of story and digital media. What are the 3 stages involved in presentation? Generally what happens if your teacher tell you to make one presentation on any topic, or if you want to make presentation on any topic, then what we do generally, directly we open PowerPoint application and we start making the presentation. But that is the wrong practice. Okay, we have to follow the steps involved in creating presentation. So let's see. First step is plan. Decide an outline for the presentation. It involves gather information for the given topic and choose an appropriate title for the presentation. Go through the information that you have collected. Group related information and list the main points you want to present. For each main point, list its subpoints. Second step, execute. After completing our planning, either it is on page or any other application or itself in PowerPoint, we can go through the execute stage, that is creating actual slides for our presentation. It involves open a presentation application and create a new presentation. The title of the outline becomes the title of the presentation. Create a new slide for each main point in the outline and list of subpoints for the respective main points. Expand each subpoint by adding more information like text, images, graphs, or tables. Third step, impress. Verify content, add visual effects, and practice. Okay, just planning and making slides are not enough. After making it, we have to verify it also. So that step involves check the following. What we have to check? Order of slides has a logical flow. Subpoints are correctly placed. Information is accurate, adequate, and follows aware rules. Okay, aware rules are also important. If you don't know about aware rules, just go to the guidelines of aware rules. Spellings and grammar are correct. Okay, then second, add visual effects by ensuring font type and font size are easy to read and alignment is uniform. Okay, don't use so critical fonts or don't use so many fonts in your presentation. Okay, font type and size should be appropriate to read and uniform for all slides. Don't use different styles and different fonts for all slides. Add animation, slide transition effect whenever appropriate. Okay, it is mentioned that whenever appropriate means each and every time or for each and every element it is not required to use animation. Okay, whenever it is required, if you want to highlight some points, then only use animation. Import multimedia. Using insert tab, you can import multimedia, images, videos, audio to your presentation. Import multimedia. In presentations, images from varied resources can be included. This includes pictures drawn using Paint application, photographs already stored on the computer, photographs clicked using a webcam, scanned pictures, files transferred from a digital camera onto the computer, images from the internet. So all these are the sources from where you can get your images. Similarly, sounds from varied sources can be included. The different sources include recording using a camcorder or digicam, recording from microphone connected to the computer, music files already stored on the computer, sound files from the internet. Okay, so all these are the sources from where you can get audio or video also. What are the steps to transfer images from camera to mobile? In the same way, you can transfer videos and audio also from your camera or mobile to your computer. To transfer images from digital camera or mobile, connect the device to the computer using cables provided. In most cases, an application called Wizard will pop up. This wizard will give you option boxes that will take you through the process of transferring the files into the computer. Once the soft copy of the required images is available on the computer, the file can be imported into the presentation. So these are the steps that you can follow to import images, audios, videos from your mobile or camera to the computer. Printing a presentation. Let's see it practically so you'll better understand. Go to File option, go to Print tab. Here you will get all the options related to print. You can see the preview also. You can select copies, how many copies you want for your presentation or printing. You can select the printer. Then options for printing slides. Either you want to print all slides, you want to print selection, you print current slide or custom range. Custom range includes slide number, this to this. Then options to print on page. You want to print on full page, you want to print notes page also, outline. Then handouts. Handouts include number of slides per page. Okay, one slide, two slides, three slides. Okay, handouts generally used to give idea to the audience that these are the slides involved in your presentation so that you can give, or handouts you can keep it with you also for the reference whenever you are giving presentation. Then you can print one side on paper or both side of paper. So all these are the options available with printing. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Different views and layouts. Refer previous video for information of views and layouts available in the PowerPoint. I have given detailed information about it. So please go through that video. Now let's recall what you have learned in this chapter. The steps for creating digital story follow the 3 stages of the presentation. These steps are as follows. Stage 1. Create an outline of the presentation. Collect picture and sound files to be included in the story. Stage 2. Populate collected content into the slides. Import and arrange pictures, add titles to the picture. Import sound files into the presentation. Then stage 3. Add custom animation to make the presentation more impressive. Add background music if required. After the presentation is ready, save the story, give mock presentation. Okay, so here last 2 steps. If you just come to know that not only preparing slide is enough. If you are going to present to the audience, prepare the presentation, how you are going to present it to the audience, give mock presentation also, and be prepared for it. Okay, so all of you, please practice all this practically. Till then, goodbye and thank you.